new.
Thank you very much. First.
We'll go through a bit of a checklist.
Please, if you're here, 97, no.
Have a walk round it. Nippy Normans, dual USB. And literally, third thing you want to have a look at is your the tension of the train. Fucking train. Check the tension of the chain. We'll start looking at the in your manual, everything it will. Yeah, see you soon. Today we're in the garage. I'm going to do a little. If you've got your bike up off the floor, this week, breath, it's cold in here. We'll be all keeping safe out there. I'll tell you the reason why. On the GS, on my 15 plate GS 1200, whatever it is, R1200. No, they're not cheap. I think. What are they? It's fucking expensive. About how many of you? Fucking Jesus shit.
How many people out there in YouTube land? YouTube,